Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Test Tasty channel. Today magluluto tayo ng shrimp in sweet and spicy sauce. Ang ating 1/4 a kilo of prawns or shrimp. We have our ingredients. So this is our calamansi, our garlic, our ginger, and our red onion. We also have half a cup of cooked zero. We also have our spring onion leaves, our jelly, and our cracked pepper, and we also have our oil. Okay? Nilagay na natin guys ang ating prawns. Lagyan natin ng konting Coke Zero guys. Tapos sinaan ang apoy. I-simmer natin ng konti guys. While simmering our prawns guys, i-transfer muna natin dito sa kabila para gagawa tayo ng sauce. Tapos, this is our sweet and spicy sauce. So, ilagay muna natin ginger. Ilagay natin ang ating ginger. Tapos, ang ating garlic. Tapos ilagay natin guys ang ating red onion. Yatak ka. Tapos guys, ilagay natin ang ating cracked pepper, ang ating hot chili, sa lahat na ito. Tapos ang ating Coke Zero. Tagal ko na naghihintay sa'yo. So, maglagay tayo ng konting kalamansi dito guys sa ating prawns. At dito naman natin ilagay ang konti nating kalamansi juice. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng ating honey. Oops. A tablespoon of honey. Sarap ng honey guys. Maglagay tayo ng konting oyster sauce. Wow. So, i-transfer natin guys ang ating ibuhos na natin guys ang ating sauce dito. At i-simmer natin guys hanggang ang ating sauce lumiliit. Magdagdag tayo ng tomato paste. Konting salt. Lagyan na natin ng konting spring onion leaves guys. Yun na siya guys, oh. So mag-platings na tayo guys. Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-platings. Turn off na natin guys. A lot of mosquitoes. Yeah, big ones. Itong sauce, ilagay natin itong sauce guys. Tingnan nyo yung sauce guys. Look at the sauce. Oh. So, here we go. So this is our final product. This is shrimp in sweet and spicy sauce. So here we go. This is so yummy. If you are just new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comment, and share. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. So thank you for watching. Have a good time. Bye.